Alchemicology is the synchromatical energies which emanate themselves by aminotransferase groups. They emanate by transferring the etheric forms of energy. The dialkyls and all the energies are interchanged by the structural membranes. All the energies overlap, make a sigma bonding for the energies parabolical states. These paralliptical structures make all the energies of different states of powers. So here we will talk about the analytical chemistry, how they affect the alchemicological sciences. So we will move here. So the chemical components imitate themselves by making a shell, subatomical shells. The energies interchange their amylations. Amylation is the process of getting the energies from the third state of power. Third state of energy is the energy which is communicated from the energy forms. They make a nested structures for transferring the transmutating energies and all the paralliptical structures which are made by the outermost energy shells. The outermost energy shells differs by the innermost energy shells by the process of annihilation. So the energy's chemical kinesis is there, because of which energy emitted themselves. Emitted energies make all the transference and conflicts of their subatomic energies. They make a dark enanians. Enanians is a form which term comes from the Greek word and energy, which is an form of subatomic particulates which interchange the energy forms. These energy forms overlap each other. Like in gelsium, the energies make a high power radiated oxidative positions for transference components. The subatomic changes are there in the brain. These are the componential powers which chemically changes by excited the energy's composition. The analytes which are being added is the like the enological chemicals and all the synopthesis the chemicals. So next we will move here the chemicular proteins of quantum chemistry. Quantum chemistry is a new topic, so it comes in the conceptual chemistry. So the quantum numberings are there between the two particulates of subatoms. So they mutate themselves to form the subatomic structure. They usually make a transmuting chemical which can be changed into the ethers of gold or the ethers of isotopes. Energy's complex formation is responsible for chemical and biochemical energies. The exenostates are the states which change from 3D to S 3S states. The excited states variate because of the energy domains. Subdomains emanate them who have the energy particulates in them which have a transitionally packed octet. So energy forms emanate themselves by taking the analytes in them. They form a singular structure of it. So alchemicological sciences is the sinolopath and teleohaptic. So the parabolical states here changes due to the formations of it. According to the equilibrium in them, the chemical proteins emanate themselves by it. The energy forms are being emanated by all the forms. So we can constitute that beryllium is the form which changes with higher power of energies. So the energies which are changed is the anions. So the axino effect in the gRNA, they replicate the energies from white matter. The white matter concentrate the energy forms from diethers and communicate with each other by etheric forms. This is the complex formulations which are being done by the energy forms of conceptual. So next we will move here the structure of chemical sciences, the energies which are being excited in the states. The solubility here changes and the oxides and the barium and the hydration energy. The lattice energy is changed regularly by the subatomic particulates. They change the nitrate atoms, they change the NC plus RCOOC. It is the formula for formulations of energies data structures. So the atomization structure is responsible for the amylation of dark CHA. CHA is the form of chemicological sciences. So it amidate themselves by this process. So dark DNA is responsible for amidating the structures. They take the energies from higher order to the third state of energies. These are responsible for synapses, hypothesis, and parallelticulars and quantum numbering systems. The amylation change from the here you can see the amylizations which are being changed from states to states. The synapses is the process where the solutes of intermolecular energies come in contact with the subatomic particulates and differ the energies state in them. They control the subatomic energies by particulating the factors. So the energies are making new forms daily. The energies in the new forms make Be, H2O, 4 for the whole twice 2 plus, and the oxidative position is 2 plus. So the energies are being made by amylizations and different orders by the composition of it. Daily the energy forms in isonumeric forms are being made in the Grignard compounds. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it.